Amanda here from Creative Pouring. Okay, so I haven't painted for it must be 10 days. Very uninspired. So I went on to Etsy, having a look at other people's lovely paintings, and I got inspired by a lady called, let me have a look, Frederique Curbila. French, I think she is. Anyway, there were a couple of her pours that I really quite like the look of, so I thought, right, I've got a little 8 by 10 canvas panel. As you can see, a couple of scrapings have gone on here. So this is my little test piece, and I've got some leftover copper and some leftover navy, some leftover turquoise, and then I've mixed a bit of pearl white and a bit of gold, and I'm going to do like a little flowery thing going on. I've put silicone in all of these and try to make it fairly, not too thin, but thinner than a flip cup pour. I won't be able to see that one. And this is going to be my base. Anyway, I'm going to put you up and let's see what happens. Okay, right, I'm back. Right, here we go. So, I've no idea what this is going to be like, but I'm going to go for it. So this is, it's like a iridescent copper. I think it's got a bit of iridescent orange in there as well. I'm just going to put this down as a, it has got silicone in it, but I do want that as a little, to have some effect. So it's not just a plain colour on the background. Where's my spatula? This might be, I'm just going to smooth this along. So you can see already that there's silicone in there, but that's fine. Just to give a bit of texture really, I think. Right, here we go. That's that. Nice. God, I can't see anything today. You can see that. Yeah, there you go. Right, here we go. So, I am just going to put this as a centre. So I'm just going to put, let's just go central. I can play, oh, well, that's good already, isn't it? Let's just put a bit of blob of this here in the middle. Enough. And then I'm just going to do just a circle of this around here. And then I'm just going to go swipe outwards in. I'll do that last and put this gold in there. And then I'm going to do little swipes with this pearly white. And we'll see. I might have to put more paint down, I have no idea. Okay, so let's see what happens. I'm just going to do little swipettes. Just do some little ones first, and I can go around them. I'm just going to cut this in half so I've got smaller. I'm just going to dip that in my white, just have a bit of right there. Bear with me. I'm just dipping my swipe in the white and then just bringing it over. A bit of gold in there somewhere, I think. Just playing around with it really. I just need a bit more white, a bit more gold in that middle. It's too heavy-handed. Alright. A bit heavy-handed, isn't it? Right, let's just do a bit of a... Let's see if I can blow in there. Bear with me 1 second. Can you just see that so far? There you go. Give that a little blow. Let's see what comes back in the middle. This is not a bloom recipe or anything. Don't get all excited. I'm just blowing it a little bit just to see what happens, just to break that up a bit. I might just pull that back in. Alright then. Oh. Well, there you go. You know what, I think I'm going to leave that. There you go. Well, I'm really quite chuffed with that. And you can see, I'm not going to fiddle, I'm going to leave it and then I'm going to think about what I've done. Because I want to do that on a big one now. I'm really quite liking the effect. There you go. Oh, that's better than I thought it was going to be. Can you see? Right. I will take a picture. And as I've got all this paint, I might just go straight in and do another big one. I might change the background. I might do a gold background and some different colours. Oh, there you go. Actually, I might, yeah, no, I'm going to give it a go. There you go. Really quite chuffed with that one. Hope you can see. I'm going to have a look at the video and then I might take a couple of photos or a bit of a close-up. Okay, That's me, Amanda, over and out. Oh, sorry, forgot to say, you know, if you've watched this, please subscribe to my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Okay, cheerio, bye bye. Hello everyone, hi. So I thought I'd just show you the dried results of this one. It's the next day, so it's dried really quickly. And I'm so pleased. This copper orange is absolutely gorgeous. It looks a bit darker on camera than it does in real life. It's a real sort of orangey copper. It's absolutely gorgeous. And then these beautiful cells with the turquoise and the pearl, and that centre's come out lovely. I think this is a bit too much here. It's in the centre maybe, but for a first attempt, I'm really loving this. So I just thought I'd show you that, the dried version. I think I will. I'm going to varnish it anyway, even though it's on a canvas board. I just really love it. I can't wait to do a big one of these, and more metallic backgrounds. Just really love it. Okay, I thought I'd just show you that one. I don't know which way. I think that way. I like that way. Or that way. Ooh, there you go. Anyway, however way, loving those effects. And I was thinking about it overnight, why I just all of a sudden got these beautiful cells, and I realised, of course, that old paint that I'd got. I mean, look at those. The paint that I used was all from when I was doing my ring pours, so they were mixed with Floetrol, and then I added silicone. Ta-da! And this is what you get. Love it. Okay. All right then. See you for the next one. Bye.